Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? Good? Today we are going to complete our page number 80 to 87. That is the recap of shapes and number names and counting 1 to 100 and backward counting, that is from 100 to 1. So all of you get ready with your My Number Friend part 2 and with your pencils and erasers. Okay. Now this is our page number 80. Matching shapes. Help Bunny to draw a line between each shape and the object that matches it. Here the shapes are given on one side and the objects related to the shape given on the second side. So here we have to do the matching. So let's start. What is the first shape given? It is a square. So what we can see on the next side, we can see a gift with the square shape, right? So now it's triangle, and on this side we can see a yummy sandwich, right, in a triangle shape. Now next it is a circle. What we can see in circle shape, which object is there? It is a clock, right? So now next is rectangle. We can see a gate with the rectangle shape, right? And the last one is an oval shape. We can see eggs in oval shape. So in this way you have to do the matching, correct? Now next we have page number 81. Here the man is made from the shapes. Yes. So from this we have to count each shape and we have to write. Okay. The first shape given is triangle. So now we have to count all the triangles. So now in all, how many triangles we can see? We can see 4 triangles, right? So we will write number 4. The next shape given is an oval. How many oval shape we can see? We can see 2 oval shape. One is nose and the second one is in mouth, correct? So we will write 2 numbers. The next one is circle. How many circles we can see? We can see 10 circles. So we will write number 10. The next shape is square. How many squares are there? 2. So we will write number 2. And the last one is rectangle. How many rectangles are there? 6. So we will write number 6. So children, in the same way you have to complete this page. Okay, you have to count all the shapes and you have to write the number of each shape given. Okay, now next moving to the other page, that is 82. Color the circles in blue, squares in red, triangles in green, ovals in orange and rectangles in yellow. Okay, here the colors are given for the respective shapes. So you have to color all the shapes according to the given colors. Now next is days of the week. Here we have to do the recap of days of the week orally. Okay, you have to learn all the days of the week. Correct? And you have to learn the spellings also. Okay, and you have to learn the question answers respected to it. Like which is the first day of the week? That is Monday. Then which is the second day of the week? It is Tuesday. Then third day is Wednesday. Fourth, Thursday. Then which is the fifth day? Friday. Sixth, Saturday. And which is the seventh day? It is Sunday. So in this way you have to learn this page. Now next is shapes. What is the first shape given? It is circle. This is a circle. It is round in shape. How is the shape of circle? It is round. It have no corners and no sides, correct? The next one is square. This is a square. It has 4 sides, correct? All its sides are equal. How many sides square have? 4 sides and 4 corners. And its all sides are of equal length, okay? Next is rectangle. This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners, but its opposite sides are of equal. Okay, not all the 4 sides are equal, but opposite sides are equal. The next one is triangle. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. And the last one is oval. This is an oval. It look like an egg. Oval look like an egg. In the same way, you have to do practice for the shapes. Now next page is 85. Backward counting 100 to 1. This is your task of the day. You have to write backward counting from 100 to 1. Next is page number 86. This is also your task of the day. We have already done, right? And page number 87. It is counting from 1 to 100. So today ma'am has given you 3 pages, right? Task of the day, page number 85, 86 and 87. Bye.